How's it going, everyone? This is Cole back with you from Kelowna Chevrolet. Behind me I have a 2019 Mazda CX-3 all-wheel drive. Let's go take a closer look. And powering the all-wheel drive system is a 2-liter, getting you roughly 7 to 9 liters per 100 kilometers. Come around the side here, you have these nice alloy wheels. These guys are 16-inch. You got the color matching mirrors and door handles. Coming to the back here, you got the dual exhaust. Underneath, you have your liftgate. It has a second set of tires. And there is a decent size, and you also get the cargo cover as well. Around the other side here, the paint is pretty clean. And coming into the interior, starting at the door panels, we have the nice two-tone. You got your window and mirror controls. You got the nice leather seats. You also have a little bit of cloth at the bottom there, so the two-tone. Coming inside, you are currently at 43,960 kilometers. There's your audio and hands-free, your cruise control settings. There's your infotainment screen. Down here, got automatic climate control, heated front seats and steering wheel. 2 USBs in the little storage cubby there. Gear select, sport mode, parking brake. Here is how you control your infotainment screen. So if I turn the knob, it turns it depending on what I want to go to. Center console, you have 3 separate storage bins, which is nice. Coming up top here, you got your sunroof. And to open up the sunroof, you just have this little knob right here, like so. And coming into the back seat here, seats are very comfortable. You got your cup holders in the middle here, just like so. Pull the seat down, there's a little button here, so you just click it down, and the seats come forward like so. For more information on this 2019 CX-3 all-wheel drive, give us a call at 250-860-6000, or you could drop by our dealership as we're open Monday to Saturday 9 to 6. Thank you guys for watching this video on the Mazda CX-3. Have a great day. Bye for now.